Today I'm going to talk about my last project of CSC 110. And today project it talk about coin tossing simulation. Well, technically it's just coin tossing simulation. So let's just start it. First, I'm going to show you my work first. Okay. And here's my project. And to talk about it, let's begin. So first, I'm start by import the random so that well it's gonna randomly put number together. Then I define a function to flip the coin. And I name it CT. So technically it's the simple function using if and else command to create the well flip simulation. So if it's head and it will return 1 and otherwise food is 0. And then I using the CT function to write the next function called CT and toss. So it's with the idea to toss the coin with the probability of head with the end time over here. Then count them and return the result. So next, start from here. I create another function and put one dictionary in here and call it dh, and using the for loop to repeat the tossing to get the results. Then I plus each result will add one corresponding factor in the dh and then put it in the dictionary. And then by using the sum accumulation to I use it to find the probability of the case of its case in the dictionary, and then I add up them together all the probabilities to sum accumulation to get the sum of the probability. Then I return the results. So I return dh, which is in the dictionary, and the sum of probability. Then next, I need to create the function to calculate the probability. So I create a factorial function and CNN function. So I create factorial function to find the factorial and get the predict probability of the number of head. Then I use the product of accumulation, this kind, and the for loop to find n, and then I get the factorial of n and n minus m is over here. So to create the CNN, then I return the probability with ds over here. So all of this thing is to find the probability of heads with this s. Then I create the my function, which will pronounce nicely everything in the one file. So I create the files name the results, and put it in writing mode. Then I'm using the next loop to create 48 case because of for 2 case you already done, and print out the format of probabilities and the error to well that the demand of the function. And then I use sum accumulate to calculate the sum of the prediction over here. And then from SKF bring out the format of number, and after getting the prediction, bring out everything and close the file. So technically, let's see, it's gonna bring out the result is over here. It's the number toss, so it will toss firstly is 5 and bring out any probability, any errors from your function and relative percent from the star into the case here in above when they put it 50. I think it's done. Thank you for watching.